My name's Danny Wang from GlassChinese.com. Welcome to Lesson 2, Introduction to Tones.
So tell me more about the tones in Chinese.
Okay, there are 4 tones in Chinese. Tones are represented in pinyin by the 4 tone marks over the vowels. Depending on the tone mark, the tone of your voice changes when you say the word.
So the tone of your voice may be higher or lower depending on the tone mark?
Yes, the first tone is the flat tone, and the tone mark is the straight line. It's almost like you're singing. You pronounce words that have this tone in a high steady voice. For example, ma, ma. This word means mother. You can input the tone mark for this on this website by typing a vowel followed by the number 1.
Ma. Is that right?
Yes, the second tone is the rising tone, and the tone mark is the rising line. You pronounce words that have this tone in a voice that starts mid-tone and rises to a high tone. The example would be ma, ma. This word means hump. The second tone sounds very similar to asking a question in English. Like asking a question, what? Think of this question in English. The word for hump is ma. This is how the second tone sounds. Ma. You can input the tone mark for this on this website by typing a vowel followed by the number 2.
So, ma. Is that right?
Yes, the third tone is the falling rising tone, and the tone mark is V-shaped. For example, ma, ma. This word means horse. You can imagine falling off a horse and getting back up again. This is how the tone of your voice sounds. It goes low and then bounces up again. Again, typing a vowel followed by the number 3 is how you input the tone mark for this.
So if I don't get the tone right, I could call someone's mother a horse.
Yeah, the tones are a crucial part of each new word you learn.
So this one is ma. Is that right?
That's it. It will come naturally to you with some practice. The fourth tone is the falling tone, and the tone mark is the falling line. You pronounce words that have this tone in a voice that starts high and falls low. For example, ma, ma. This word means scold. This is similar to when someone gives an order in English, like stop. You can input the tone mark for this on this website by typing a vowel followed by the number 4.
So, ma. How does that sound?
Perfect. Let's recap. First, ma. Second, ma. Third, ma. Fourth, ma.
Ma, 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 ma.
Some short words have no tone. They're neutral. It usually comes at the end of phrase. Examples of these words that we have learned to date are ma and ne. For example, 你好吗? 你呢?
Okay, I see. So those 2 words have no tone and they're just pronounced lightly. Ma, ne.
Excellent. You get plenty of opportunities to practice saying the different tones. Log on to GlassChinese.com now to try our free exercises to practice and internalize the new words that you just learned. We have many types of fun and challenging multimedia exercises, as well as a glossary for each of our lessons. You can also create your own learning profile to keep track of your progress. Have fun! See you next time!